Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by collecting reproducible evidence, audio clips, transcripts, timestamps, and the exact steps to trigger the failure. Once done, inspect runtime logs and monitor CPU/GPU, memory, and latency to spot anomalies. Make sure to reproduce the bug with a small, fixed test case so you can iterate quickly. From there, isolate whether the fault is model, preprocessing, or I/O by toggling components and recording, which change affects the failure. Next, validate preprocessing. Confirm sample rate, bit depth, normalization, and codec handling. Mismatched audio formatting often breaks voice AI. Then run the model on curated, known good inputs and compare logits, attention maps, or confidence scores to find where behavior diverges. Once identified, apply targeted fixes, tweak normalization, update tokenization, or adjust thresholding, and deploy them behind a feature flag so you can roll back quickly. To finish, run an a/b test comparing the patched pipeline to the baseline and watch WER, latency, and error rates closely. Gradually roll out the fix via a canary release and keep a rollback plan ready in case regression appears. Make sure logs include correlated audio ID so you can trace failures. If problems persist, capture intermediate model activations and attach them to a debug ticket for deeper analysis. This provides the why, not just the what, and speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.